Who's the prettiest girl around? It's Fox the dog, it's Fox the dog. Hello folks, thank you for joining me today. I have some ribbon out again. You guys might remember when I wove ribbon to make a hand fasting cord for John and I for our wedding. And so today what I'm doing is going to start off pretty much the same. I'm going to be using this same weave to make a pretty collar for my dog to wear at the wedding. For the base, I would like to use this same weaving pattern that I used for the hand fasting cord. And then I want to make a couple ribbon flowers that I can sew onto it to jazz it up and make it pretty so that my dog can be dressed up like the rest of us. The colors I've chosen are, I went with like a summery mix. I have like an aqua blue, a bright green, bright orange, and bright pink. I went with these colors because my dog is black and these will stand out on her fur very well. I should figure out what order I want these to be in. So I do want the orange blue and the pink green, and I'm thinking maybe I want the pink and orange together and then the blue and green together, so then these would be on the one side and the blue and green would be on the other. So now to start, I'm going to pin these together. Just went and got my safety pins for this exact reason. So let me promptly drop the black safety pin on my black pants. You know, a great start to any project. What we do with this weave is that we take the loop and fold it in half and tuck it through the other loop. So now we have the pink and green here, so then we're gonna make a loop out of the orange blue side and tuck that through and then tighten this up. This down, and then we're gonna knot this. Excellent. So that's the base of our collar, which looks splendid as is, but let's take some of these ribbons and make some flowers. Okay, so I watched a couple tutorials, but I will freely admit that this is not my strong suit. So as I understand it, we're gonna take a length here and we're going to kind of fold this into triangles. Am I missing a step? I might be missing a step. I don't know what I was doing. I'm gonna take a brief intermission and rewatch a tutorial. Okay, that's what I was doing. So it's a twist and then a flip outward. I was doing inward, so that's maybe not the way it's meant to be. I'm gonna modify this because I don't like the way it's going. Where's my sewing kit? Okay, I'm gonna try to do this with a thread going through it because what it seems to want to do is pop out of the middle instead of staying flat across the petals. Okay, is it the most atrocious thing I've ever done? No. Is it stunning? Also no. Does the dog care? Definitely not. So then I'm gonna use these pieces to attach it to the collar when the time comes for that. But there's my first flower. Okay, we're gonna go with this camera. So there's my first attempt at a flower. It's not awful. Okay, so then we have some more blue. Maybe we'll come back to that later. Next, let's do orange. Okay, okay, so these are the flowers. I kind of hate them. I mean I very much hate them and don't think that I am fit to make ribbon flowers because boy oh boy are these bad. If I do so choose to put them on, they'll look something like that. Oh god, it's awful. I'm thinking I might just say nay to these. I want to let everybody see. Who's the prettiest girl around? It's Fox the dog, it's Fox the dog. As we can see, this is lovely. You're so good. You're so pretty. Good work. High five. Yeah, good girl. Yeah. Okay. Thanks for coming with me through the struggle. I hope you enjoyed this project because I only enjoyed about half of it. If you enjoyed this journey, please like, share, and subscribe. We try to post most Fridays, but if you want to make sure not to miss anything, remember to ring the notification bell. Have a good week. Bye.